up, you guys? We are back for another one, and I'm just like feeling a new type of way with this look because, we've been doing Christmas looks and, green, red, and then bam, I just come out of nowhere with this. So I don't even know what to call it at this point. Weird. Not a bad weird, a good weird. I really like it. I hope you guys like it too. If y'all want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Alright, you guys, I'm so excited. I keep doing stuff like with my hands and y'all can't see it, so it's just like a weird noise in the background. I have just primed my eyelids, put some Shape Tape on them, and carved out the underneath of my brows. And yeah, I don't have any face makeup today. Oh my gosh, I know, it's crazy, right? I've been wanting to do a yellow look because I feel like I don't do yellow all that much. I'm just going to put on a basic orange, because we're basically going to go over it. And I'm watching a Seahawks game on my phone, and I'm not able to sit and stare at my inspiration, so we're definitely going to go for a different look. Plus, I don't really like to exactly copy anything, but I really want to see if I can do it. Like, that's the main thing. Okay, now I'm going into red, or red-ish color. Now it's about to get a little crazy because I'm about to add purple. Oh, I love my 506 brush. So I'm just going to take this brush and just start going in the crease with this purple. Now we're going in with a deeper purple, and I'm still just hitting the crease. I'm trying not to go too high and cover everything that we just did. I love it. Kind of reminds me of my sunset eye, which I really loved. Like, I was so proud of that one. The one eye, not the other one. Okay, that looks pretty good, but I want it a little darker. So I'm going to do a bold move, and I'm going to add a navy blue. And I'm just really gently dispersing what's on my brush because I picked up a lot. And maybe I should start patting, yeah. Ooh, look at that blend. Literally, it took like barely any effort. I think I got this how I like it. I think it looks really pretty, and I'm about to cut this crease. To cut my crease, I've been using this little tiny baby Morphe brush. I can just get really precise with it. And I'm always going to use my Shape Tape to get the cut crease done. And I've just been going in like swiping motions, and I never thought that that would work for me, but it actually does. I used to just press too hard, so I mean my eye would get wrinkly, the cut crease would mess up, and I would just get frustrated. But I've found that with this brush I can just swipe lightly, and I can get that really cut crease. Kind of just work my way slowly through the process. Alright, so that's as far as I want to go with this cut crease. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to put on a very light yellow. I thought this yellow would come out a lot brighter. I'm not sure if I should remove everything off the lid and then start fresh. I thought my cut crease base looked really white, but it looks really dingy underneath now. Do not panic. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was a real struggle. Alright, so now I'm going to apply an e.l.f. cream eyeliner. Alright, now to get into the nitty gritty of this wing, I'm going to use my NYX liquid eyeliner. And then we're going to do the face. Here's the final look, you guys. What do you think? This look is so funny. Like, I feel like it's so fun and like fresh. I don't know. I'm really impressed with how it came out. I really like the color scheme and everything. If you guys like this look, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And you already know, subscribe, help your girl out. We need more people. We need more fam on this YouTube channel. So you guys tell your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
This light's like super duper bright. Whew, okay. I'm like blinded for a second. Jeez.